Harry is an 80-year-old male who was admitted to the hospital with complaints of persistent macrocytic anemia. He presented with tiredness and dizziness. His past medical history showed that he had no allergies and he was a non-smoker. Mild vitamin B12 deficiency and macrocytic anemia was diagnosed a year ago. Despite of the correct treatment with intramuscular vitamin B12, the anemia persisted. Harry had a past medical history of chronic atrophic gastritis and hypertension. For making diagnosis, different laboratory tests were ordered on admission. The blood results revealed hemoglobin 7.4 grams per deciliter, WBC count was 5.14 per microliters of blood, the platelet count was 306 per microliters, and the reticulocytes percentage was 2.59. Then the patient was referred to the hematologist who ordered a bone marrow examination. The aspirate obtained for evaluation showed a markedly hypercellular marrow with megakaryopoiesis. The cells present in the bone marrow exam consisted of marked hypogranulated elements. Taking into account the findings from blood and bone marrow tests, the doctors proposed myelodysplasia as the most probable suspected diagnosis. How will you further move towards the right diagnosis? What type of special laboratory tests will you perform to confirm the diagnosis? And what disease is your Harry suffering from? How will you treat Harry? It will be easier to answer these questions when you have a thorough understanding of bone marrow failure syndromes. sqadia.com is bringing a complete lecture of more than 40 minutes on bone marrow failure syndromes, along with short clips for quick learning. You can watch these videos on sqadia.com to solve this case study. Simply go to sqadia.com, subscribe and get a free trial of 2 days.